it was an author of a book who was talking about how people become unhappy. Like, what is it that makes you an unhappy person? And he started talking about basically the dynamic between two different things. And I can't quote him, and I'm not going to take credit for it. But unfortunately, I'm not going to quote him. I don't remember where it was or how to find it. Anyway, he talked about the difference between our expectations and our gratitude. And he basically says, like, we're extremely happy people if we have very low expectations and very high gratitude. And we're still happy if we have high expectations, so long as our gratitude is a little bit bigger. And we're still happy when our gratitude is not very high, but our expectations are even smaller. What is the point? What is the common ground here? The common ground is when you are more grateful, then you have expectations, then you're going to be happy. And this, I know, goes into many, many forms of your life, your podcast. So when you if you have an expectation of, I want 1 million listeners, and then you have 100,000 people listening, you're going to be like, I need 10 times that. And you're going to be crying, you're going to be sad, you're going to be depressed. Why? The reason why is because your expectation was set pretty high and your gratitude wasn't there. Now, if, for example, you have 5 listeners and you're grateful as heck for those 5 listeners and being able to serve them every single week or every single day, depending on how often you publish your podcast, but you're sitting there grateful that you can serve these 5 people, you have a lower expectation and a higher amount of gratitude, you're going to be happy.